ఈ ప్రోగ్రామ్కి బెల్జియం నుంచి వచ్చిన మాస్టర్ ఆవిడ సత్కారం చేద్దాం. ఒకసారి గట్టిగా చెప్పండి. బెల్జియం యూరోప్ నుంచి వచ్చింది ఆవిడ. కమ్ హియర్. ఆవిడ సందేశం, a few words from you.
Good evening, everybody. Namaskar. I'm very pleased and very honored to be here with you. And I was very pleased to see how many, even though my Telugu is not yet very, I didn't understand much, but anyway, I'm very pleased to see all of you and to meet all of you, and with all the beautiful books and beautiful topics. It's amazing how much activity you have here behind the meditation and behind this wonderful spiritual society movement. Well, I hope to see you again. This is the first time for me in India. I'm sure this is not going to be the last. Thank you very much. Blessings and the divine with you.